So hi guys, this is part 2 of my fall decorating videos, and in this video I'm flipping the video around. I'm going to decorate and then I'm cooking the chili, but I really recorded this cooking the chili first and then decorating, but I think it looks better this way, so I changed it around a little bit. I'm just going to be using my decorations from last year and just putting out a few pieces in my kitchen. So this is part 2 of my decorating.
I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind. You'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt more right. Woke up lonely, and for you there is nothing in this world I wouldn't do. I would walk 1,000 miles just to see.
So I'm just cleaning off my table with my Method almond spray, and then I'm going to put out my runner I got from Dollar General, and then a basket I got from the Goodwill. And right now I'm just using the runner and the basket with candles. I may change this up, but for now I'm just going to put this basket out and put these candles on the table.
I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us?
So now I'm going to make the chili. I thought that this HelloFresh chili would be perfect for a fall dinner. So I'm making this chili. I'm just going to prep a few of the things and just follow the instructions on the recipe card. And this was another HelloFresh meal that we really enjoyed. Not many that we liked, but this was one that we liked. So on this night that I was recording my fall videos, I went ahead and made some chili. So I'm going to make this chili, and I'm going to show you what I'm putting in there. So that's what I'm doing right here.
So beautiful, I can hear you within the silence.
So this is turkey chili. You put a little bit of oil in here, and then you add the scallions, the white parts of it, and then you add the ground turkey. You just cook it and then just throw everything else in there. It's very easy, very simple chili recipe.
Stay close when it rains. Let me keep parts of you. Hand in hand is how we sleep every night. And I will watch you, breath after breath. Hold on, so beautiful. And if you fall, I will catch you. Ooh. reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful. I can hear you within the silence. Ooh.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a
So I hope you guys are having a very good Wednesday, and I hope you are enjoying these fall decorate with me videos. I'm having fun making them. I'm taking my time this time and spacing it out a little bit because that's what I wanted to do. So stay tuned. I may have a part 3. I don't know. I may just put it into a cleaning video, but I may have a part 3. So just stay tuned for my videos. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for commenting, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. And this chili was so delicious.